Wow, hear the rain? It's not got much better, I'm afraid. Still absolutely peeing down. Hello. Gorgeous has painted her nails. Very nice indeed. And I've been editing. Obviously we're really new to this vlogging malarkey, and it takes forever to actually edit a video. But yeah, whilst it's raining, I've just been attacked by a knife.
Oh no, you never.
Why are you attacking me with a knife?
I'm not attacking you with a knife, I will do in a minute.
How much French bread do you want? About that much?
That's all,
That's all I'm getting.
That's all you're getting. Stop whinging.
I think she's gone mad. She's made me a baguette sandwich. Do you see that? She's actually folded the cheese. Why have you folded the cheese?
Funny woman.
Funny woman. Been a pretty rubbishy day today, to be fair. It's been like this, raining most of the day. That beautiful sunset. Absolutely stunning. But hey ho, be on the beach tomorrow, it's going to be a nice day.
Look at this, I think we're at the River Thames. Look at all that, it's like a river. We should have bought a river boat.
Good morning. So after 24 hours of torrential rain, we now have some blue skies. Yeah. Beautiful rainbow. Stunning. The weather's going to be hopefully good today. You can see we're at the Pavillon Royal campsite. That's the entrance there. It's coming in. As you can see walking in, that's the main reception where you get booked in, and barrier entry in and out with number plate recognition, which is really good security. Really lovely, friendly people. As you come in the barriers, just on your right hand side, walking up to reception, you have which has 3 washing machines, 2 dryers. Can't say that I've used it, but Sandra has, and yeah, it comes in useful. Really well equipped laundry room. You see the smaller pitches on the right hand side. So here is the it's the main restaurant. Not at the moment, but a really well stocked mini supermarket where you can get French baguettes. Got a quietness room. There is good for just relaxing and doing your Wi-Fi. Small little bar area, and up to the terrace restaurant, which we've eaten in here a couple of times. Really good value for money, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that for a nice setting for your meal. And here you have the games room and a small gym. Games room's in there, obviously air hockey. You got your table tennis, your bar football. But yeah, really nice. And then obviously whilst you're here you have the use of the gym. Quite a well good, nice setup. I won't go in, there's people in there, but got a cross trainer and all of the weights. Yeah. Got a kiddie play area. Yeah, little mini slide. It means I love that. Over there you have a motorhome service point, obviously where you can drop your grey, do your Elson. Yeah, there's several Elson points that are gathered round everywhere, so obviously that's the main one. Obviously, if you're bringing your van over, just one of the free shower blocks. As you can see, the site is huge, absolutely huge. The Resistance is obviously, you've just down there you've got the beach, which is absolutely stunning. I'll show you that shortly. These are the changing rooms for the outdoor swimming pool, which is a really nice size. Plenty of sunbeds. Goes deep. And also got a kiddies pool as well. Got to be probably the best campsite we've ever stayed on whilst we've been motorhoming. Certainly ticks all the boxes, and obviously a reason why we came back again this year. But it really is clean. People are really friendly. As I say, it just ticks every. As you can see, the pitches are really spacious. You've got an option, you can stay closest to the front. I think obviously a bit more expensive, but obviously the ones in the forest a little bit more shielded, don't get so much sun. Just coming up to a shower block. No, these are the toilets, sorry. Toilets and shower blocks are separate. Got another Elson point there. So it's really well spread out, and so you're only 200-300 yards away from the beach, which is absolutely stunning. Entry to the beach is via the magnetic lock door. Obviously you get a key. imagine it gets pretty choppy in the old winter time, but yeah, because the site's open, I think opens in March and closes at the end of September, so it's quite a short season, really, because obviously the weather that you get in the Bay of Biscay. In our view, what do you reckon? Best camping site in the world?
Love it.
Very formal. She loves it.
Absolutely lovely. Absolutely.